This is the best sound effect in Clash Royale. In number 5 is the Hog Rider, with its legendary and mythical sound that summons all the Hog Rider in the area. In number 4 is the Mini P.E.K.K.A. and his iconic pancakes. Once you recognize it, you'll never stop repeating it. Simply harmonious. In number 3 is the Evo Wizard, with its wonderful Evo Wizard. You can't think of the Evo Wizard without thinking of that sound. In number 2 is the Electro Wizard with his a simply chilling sound. And in number 1